Hey, this is Brian from Toyota Overlanders. Today we have our truck in the shop here. We are getting new tires installed. So let's go inside and check this out. We just had the Tesche. This is the ridge blade mud terrain tire. We just had installed. These are 285, 75, 16s on this. We have the method B-grip rims on here. They're a 16-inch rim. We have a 75-inch sidewall, which is really nice, but we just installed these, the mud terrains. As far as noise and that is for mud terrain, they're fairly quiet. Obviously any mud terrain is going to be a little noisier than all terrain, but these so far are really nice. We'll be doing some more videos off-roading on these and dropping the tire pressure down to like 15 psi on some trails, testing longevity of the tires, but yeah, really nice tires. If you're interested, you can reach out, send us an email at toyotaoverlanders@gmail.com. Also up over here, we're gonna have the exact tire, all the different tires that Tesche offers. So you can check that out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the trail. Cheers.